Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last video I will show you how to make an exam timetable inside a full calendar. In this video I will explain my calendar in a parent side. Suppose parent know he is a student, means his son and daughter. So he click on the his son and student against like a action inside. He can click on the my calendar, so he can see like he is a student. All the detail about same like this detail, but we can show inside a parent sides. So let's log out and log in as a admin. After I can log in as a parents. Just log out, admin @gmail.com. After we need to go to parents and I copy any parents. I think I go parent 2, but let's go to student first. So which student against this? Okay, parents. I need to log in as a parent 1 because he is already there 3 students. So let's go back again to parent account. And I log in as a parent 2, means parent 2 is a name is a parent 1, so no issue. I just log out and log in as a parent 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6, because I have made all the password common 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I go my students, and here I will make another button, my calendar, means a student calendar, so he can see like his student calendar. So let's go back again to code and we can open the my student list. Just go to resources, inside you need to go views, inside you need to go parents, inside you need to open the my student. Inside we need to create a new menu, my student calendar, otherwise my calendar, whatever you can told him. I think we can do like a calendar, just calendar, look like better, calendar. Let me check this spelling is good or not good. Just suppose do you want to see anytime spelling, so just go to Google and put here, so he gives the output. Suppose the spelling is wrong, so he's showing here, otherwise the correct spelling, so not showing. So look like better, spelling is good. So let's go back again, and here my student, here you can type like calendar, and just go back again and refresh the page, so you can see it like a new menu here, calendar. And we can change this color to warning, because you know Bootstrap, so you can understand what's the color code here using. Okay, let's make a action column like big. So just go to here, and I can make like here 400 and save and refresh the page. I save and refresh the page. Now I think 400 still not good, so let's make a 500. Let's go back again. I think minimum width we can do, minimum width 500. Now it's working, you see it's big, so let's make again 400, look like better. Okay, now scrolling works, so scrolling inside I think still need to make like 350. Okay, now it look like better because we need all other button here, so we can use it. After I click on the calendar, so we have already passed here student ID, you can see it like here. Okay, so we need to get this student data about the calendar inside like a full calendar. Okay, just go to back to web.php, and we need to create a new routes for the teacher, means parent side. So student, we can copy these routes and go bottoms like here, go any place you can go, just put here, and here you can make parents student calendar. So just change here, and here you can pass like a student ID, because we have passed already one argument like student ID. Now we need to change here my calendar to parent, my calendar parent. So we know, okay, this is the calendar for parents. Okay, so let's go to controller. You need to go controller directly, so app resources, inside controller, inside you can see it calendar controller. I just go down and I can make here comment parent calendar, parent side, not calendar, so we can easily understand. And here create like functions, my calendar parents, and here is we can pass like a student ID, because student side we have already created two function, common functions. So do you want to see how to create two function common, so you need to see last video, so you can easily understand. Okay, and here we can declare our users model, so just copy and change here to users, because we need to get the data about the student, like get student is equal to users find otherwise get single, because we have already made this function inside a user controller. Just copy and paste here and change. I can show you user controller inside, so you can see it like a self find id, because self means this is the class name, like a user. Okay, so let's close this one, we don't need now. We need this one. Now we need to create one route files. So just you can change to here student calendars, students calendar, and here we can make like a parent inside, create a new file my calendars. Okay, because we are provided same name, so look like a better showing my accounts, my exam timetable, same like we can do my calendars. Okay, perfect. Now I want to go student side, because student side we have already done. So just go to student and need to go my calendar, just copy all thing and put here. Right now I will remove all the events, because event what don't want to show, because here is a different query which work. This reason I am removing the events, so not generate the error, means a PHP coding. Okay, I just remove. Now I go back again and refresh the page, so you can see it here like a calendar show, but it's showing the blank calendar. Let's show is a my calendar, means here showing the student name. We have already passed here like a data inside data data inside a get student, and here you can see it like we have passed data inside get student, one variable create and pass inside views. Okay, I just copy and I can type here what is the student name, so we know okay this student against you are login. So I make a span style color is equal to blue, and we can make like a span close, and inside we can make like a name and last name like this. I can show you. Last name. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see like student 1. Suppose you can go to like another student, click on the calendar, so you can see like student 2, and again you need to check like student 3, so it's showing the student 3, because I am like testing data using. So do you have real data, you can use your real data. I just go student 1 and here showing the calendar. Okay, so this calendar again we need to show all the information about this student, like a exam timetable, and also we need to show here like a class timetable. Okay, so here we have already created last video 2 common function. Just we need to pass this student is a class id, and this is the class id we can get inside a get student. I can show you. Let's make a dd and I can show you. Okay, I refresh the page, is attributes inside, you can see it like here class id, you see. So this is the class id we can pass inside common function. So common function again we can get the data. So just copy this function, both of you, $this means this is the class name. Is a class name is a calendar controller. This calendar controller inside we need to get the data about get timetable. So get timetable here is there, so here there. So inside you can go and we have passed like one parameter class id. So we have already passed here class id, but we need to change to get student class id. So we are getting the class id here. Okay, first I can show you the my timetable, get my timetable. After I can show you the exam timetable, because we need to cover both of you in these videos. So let's open the get my timetable. So get my timetable against we get the class id, and class id against we get the all the subject for this student, means this class against whatever subject there. This is the query wise you can see it like. So what do you want to see like a later video, means the earlier video, so you can understand. Suppose I go to subject, so this is the query here working, you see. So this query against we are getting the all the subjects. After I get the subject, so we can pass like subject name. After I get the all the weeks, so week inside we can do like a week name here. I can show you here is like a starring, nothing else, just stars. Okay, and after value week inside you can see the full calendar day, because we need to open day wise column. Suppose the Monday, here is like a Monday is like any class time, so just showing the Monday, because all the Monday show like every week, like here, like go to September, so also show October, also show Monday. This is then we are using the full calendar day. Let's open the database and I can show you. so you can easily understand. So taking few seconds. Okay, after what I did, I just go class subject timetable, because we have already created a new table, class subject timetable. Inside I have passed three parameters. One is a class ID, because we are getting inside a value inside class ID, means here is a query wise we can get the class ID. Let me show you so you can easily understand. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like I just open first one, and here is a 10 array. So you can see it class ID, so we have passed here class ID. Also you can see it like subject ID, we have passed a subject ID, and here is a week ID. Let me show you inside database so you can easily understand. Not that is the database, I choose the wrong, so I choose the schools.com. Okay, I just close now, already open here school.com. okay, so here you can see class subject timetable. So class subject timetable, inside we have made a three parameter here. So three parameter wise we are getting the data, like class ID against what is the data there, subject ID against what is the data there, and week ID against what is the data there. So whatever data found, we need to get inside a looping. You can see it here. And after I create one variable data W is array, and this array I will store inside a data S. Data S means is a data subject. And after all the data I have passed inside result, and the result I have written. So result data we can get here. So this data we need to show inside a full calendar. Let's make a DD and I can show you. Okay, and here you can see like a week models, so is a weeks, and here we have already passed like here, just go to weeks. You can see it like a full calendar day, like 0 means Sunday, 1 is Monday, Tuesday, like all the Friday, Saturday, 5 and 6, you can see it like. Okay, I think now clear. So let's go back again. You can follow the old video so you can easily understand what I did, but just right now I explain here. Okay, so let's make here DD, so I can show you what data I get here. So just go back again, refresh the page. So let's see. Okay, I get the 6 data, means 6 array, 0 to 5, so means 6 array. 6 array inside you can see like a home economic inside you can see it like a week timetable. Okay, home economic subject, my class is a Monday, full calendar day is equal to 1. You can see it like here 1 there, this reason. And here you can see start time, end time, and room number also showing. Okay, same like you can see it here, same you can see it here, and same you see. Suppose you can go any other area, so is like a basic technology inside no any weeks, so we don't want to show. Here is like a basic science and technology, so no any weeks, so no need to show. Simple, here also not there, so no need to show. Okay, so no issue. So let's go back again and show inside a full calendar. So just go to again teacher sites, like my calendar, go to, we have already created event array, and we have already passed all the data how to show full calendar in student side. So just I have copy and paste here. So do you want to see, so you just go to our YouTube channel and open the playlist, and after you can see it. So just we need to go to again my students, my timetables, and not my calendars, and go down and just copy like my timetables. Okay, and put here. So we have already created above one array events, and event inside we have passed here data. Let's refresh the page so you can see it like this. Okay, let's remove the DD because we have made here DD, these reasons. Done. Okay, I refresh the page, so you can see it like showing the data. Suppose I go to day wise, so day wise also showing, you see. Suppose I go to week wise, so week wise also showing, like 8 to 12 English language, 9 to 11 home economics. You can see it, this is the added dummy data, this reason look like show. So but do you want to real data is showing the perfect for the students. Okay, this is the I will show only exam timetables, not exam timetable, class timetable. Now we need to show like an exam timetable. So just make a DD, means remove the comment, and we can also pass here like a class ID because we have already done like a common function. Okay, just remove these ones and go to my calendar again, parent side, and you can see it like we have passed inside weeks. So week data here, there this reason. You can see it like array inside, and array inside we can put like a day of week and start time and end time. This reason is showing. Okay, so now we need to show like a exam data. So let's make a minimize and we need to open for the exam timetable. So here is a simple way work. Just go to class id against we can get the all the exam id against we can go to exam scheduling model. So I can show you one by one. Okay, exam scheduling models, inside we can go. So group by against I will get the all the class id and also exam name. So you can see it like a exam name, and here you can see like a exam id. So I can make DD and I can show you. Okay, so better way. Just refresh the page. So you can see it like a 2 exam id. You can see it like here, like first terms 2023 to 24, and here you can see like a exam date, start time, end time. But this is not usable because this is the class id and exam id against we can get the more data. So we have made here another query like exam scheduling inside get exam timetable. We have passed here exam id and also whatever parameter inside there class id we have passed inside get timetable, get exam timetable. So you can see it here like scheduling inside you can see exam id and class id for this controller, and this is the table you need to check. So you just need to go exam scheduling, inside you can see it like exam id and class id, and if we can get the all the subject which we can get the exam date, start time, end time, you can see it inside query. Okay, so you need to follow old video so you can easily understand. I can just show you, and after create a one array, and this is the array I store inside results, and result inside result s means the result subject inside I will store inside exam, and after return I result because I have already created a main array results. Okay, I remove the DD and I refresh the page. So just go back again and refresh. So let's go back again and I copy my exam timetable inside a student side, and I can put here. Just go back and copy the all the code because it's the same code. So why we need to waste of time to writing? Okay, so just go back and paste here. Here I did like a whatever data we are passing here, like a get exam timetable. So here is a for each loop. For each loop inside is like one exam loop there. So you can see it here. Okay, and everything is good now. So exam, after we have pushed the data, title of the exam name, subject name, after whatever time there, this is the 2 there, and exam date and exam date, start and end, and a color is equal to red I have set, and a URL. So students, so we need to, we don't need here URL, so let's remove the URL and I will remove the URLs. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it like you see exam name, and also you can see it like a class timetable. So in this video I will cover class timetable and also I will cover like a exam timetables. So parent know about his student, what is the class there, which time there, and also he know about that like my son, daughter, whatever, he is a exam timetable. So just he can go to Wix and he can see it like. Otherwise we have already made here like an exam timetable, so you can see it like here, but we have made like a common function inside full calendar. So full calendar inside you can see it both of you. Suppose today is there, so just you can click on the day for the parents. So just you can see it. Okay, today is a English language my son class and 9 to 11. So you need to go only 2 hours for the school. Suppose you can check week wise, so you can see like a Sunday this is the class there, Monday this is the class there, and Friday whatever class there, because today is a Friday. Right now I created video is a Friday with date is a 5/5/2023. Okay, so I hope you have clear everything. I can show you again what I did. First I did one button inside my students like a calendar. After I create a web inside one routes, on this route I call here. Now also I pass inside the student ID. So student ID against I will get the class ID, and we have already made a 2 common function here, exam timetable and class timetable, means a get timetable. So this function inside we can get the data, and after I copy all the code inside student side and I can put inside parent side. And after I have made here like a name, so we know okay this is the student, so easily understand name and last name. I can show on here is a calendar ID, and calendar ID against we can create a full calendar, and we have already installed before library inside public list. So this is the library I can put here, and after I create the events, class and exam timetables. And I think it's clear. And do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. I think here is there, so showing. I think here is not there, this reason not showing for this student. Also let's go and check, not showing, only one student I have made a data, this reason showing. Okay, thank you for watching, and we can continue next video in a teacher side. So teacher can see it, he's a class, and he can see he's like a subjects, means he's a exam scheduling. Thank you for watching.